Python statements and comments.
For a single line comment, we can use hash prior this comment line, and that will make the line under comment. So hash is the respective marker which will indicate that this line is a comment line. So during execution, these lines are not going to get executed. In case of multi-line comment, we can go for triple double quote, or you can go for triple single quote for enclosing the block of the text. So if we execute this part, we can find that these multi-line comments can also be written like this. So this particular statement will be printed like this one, but it will not be interpreted. It is just a printing, some mere printing this line. So this line is not getting executed here. So instead of having this triple double quote, so you can also go for triple single quote here. You can easily find that I'm just putting triple single quote. So there also I'm going to get the same outcome. For the assignment statement, we'll be writing variable is equal to expression. So expression will always return a value. So we are having this one, that is a variable is equal to expression in case of Python assignment statement. So if I go on executing, the one will be assigned to A. In case of multi-line statement, so explicit line continuation can be used this slash here. So this slash is our backslash. So you can find that B is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus. So this is a continuation marker, 4 plus 5 plus 6. So what will happen? It will be considered internally that 4, 5 and 6 are getting added with this 1 plus 2 plus 3. So I can write in this way, just making a separate new line for 4 plus 5 plus 6 and putting one continuation marker here. Otherwise this 4 plus 5 plus 6 can be written adjacently in the previous row. So now if we print the value of B, I'm getting the value as this. So there is a 21, I'm getting the value of B, because this is my 6, and if you go on adding, this is also another 15. So that is 6 plus 15, we're going to get here 21. So implicit line continuation is always there if you put brackets. So that is no need to put any kind of slash here. So it will be treated as implicit line continuation. So if you go on printing, it is printing 21. So here if I put this slash, then what will happen? It will produce the same output. But this slash giving is optional. This backslash giving is optional because it is enclosed within brackets. So implicit line continuation will be there. We're having this one, there is a multi-line statement in one line. So whenever you are trying to write multiple statements in one line, we can separate them by the semicolon here. So here you see the if we print the value of D, E and F, you can find that the respective values are getting printed, that is 1, 3 and 0. So multi-line statements can be written in a same line, but here the statements must be separated by the semicolon, and in the last statement does not require any semicolon here. So now next one, so that is a code block, that is a body of a function, loop, etc. starts with the indentation and ends with the first unindented line. So you can find that. So this is our for statement we have written. So there is an indented line here, and this is another block we are starting. So this line has got indented in that case, and this is the first unindented statement. So that means this line is outside of this respective for block. So in this way we are getting this output. You can see this line end of the program, this print end of the program is outside of the for block. So that's why it has got printed once only. So that indicate that which line is under which block or which line is outside of which block. So that will be decided only by the indentation. There is no curly braces, there is no begin end to denote the block begin and block end markers. Thanks for watching this video.